What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel Pixodin. My name is Bonnie Odin. Today I'm excited to offer my first tutorial with you, where we'll explore the art of picture editing, particularly how to remove wrinkles, eye bags in photos using Photoshop. If you want to learn more about Photoshop's powerful tool, enhance portraiture or edit your own photos, you've come to the right place. This lesson will guide you through a series of steps that will help you attain beautiful, smooth skin while keeping your appearance natural. My channel will eventually be wholly dedicated to picture editing. I'll cover a wide range of topics, including color correction, retouching, creative effect, and more, from simple tips to advanced method. If you are passionate about photography and want to take your skill to the next level, don't forget to subscribe to this fascinating adventure. Now, let's work together to get the most out of your image. First things first, let's open the image we want to work with. Go to File, Open, then select your image. For me, that won't be necessary because I've already done that. It's always a good idea to work non-destructively before making any adjustment. Now, make a copy of your background layer. In the Layers panel, right-click, Duplicate Layer. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Layer 1. Layer 1. The other way of duplicating your layer, you can just say Ctrl-J. Okay, before we go any further, a piece of advice for bags under the eye will always differ from males to female. But in this video, I'm only going to cover the one for males, and I'll make sure I'll cover the one for female in the future video. For males, we don't want to remove it completely. We want to fade it because males' masculinity feature is something that we males are proud of. Now, back to Photoshop. Go to the toolbar on the right-hand side, then select the Patch tool. Zoom in on an area of the eye bag by pressing Ctrl+. Select the area of the eye bag you want to remove. Then drag it to an area you want to sample from. Press Ctrl-Shift-F. This opens up the fade opacity slider. Reduce the slider to about 50%. It looks natural to me. Deselect. You can always remove these hard edges by selecting them, sampling with an area over there. Deselect, Ctrl-D. Deselect. Okay. Deselect. And then we can work on another eye bag. Select, drag it to the area you want to sample from. Ctrl-Shift-F to open up the fade opacity slider and drag it to about 50 again. This will depend on your image though. As you can see, this gives it a natural feature. This is that masculinity feature I was talking about. Okay. You can always remove the wrinkles, fade them a little bit though. Select. Drag it to the area you want to sample from. Ctrl-Shift-F. Dot phase it. Okay. So at 60. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna fast forward it. Okay, once you're done working on it and you are satisfied with the results, it happens you are not satisfied with the results, you can always reduce the opacity if you overdid it though. Reduce the opacity just to give it a natural feature. You can reduce it to your liking though. Now, Ctrl-O. Let's check the before and after. Before, after, before, after. And that concludes the tutorial for today. I hope this was helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you did, remember to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and technique. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.